What's happening, guys? Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna be doing my last this is gonna be my last tutorial on WordPress for beginners, and I hope my tutorial was helpful, and I've given you a quick guide into WordPress. And I also wanted to highlight that this is not all of it. So I'm going to be introducing another advanced class whereby I'll be going to be talking about some of the advanced features on WordPress. And let's say you want to make changes on your code, or you want to create your own theme and all those kind of things. That's for mainly for the advanced class. So I'll be doing another tutorial series later on this year. As I'm recording right now, today's date. I think today is the 1st of January 2019, and yeah, this is the last tutorial. So guys, just give me just a month from now. I'll upload the tutorials on WordPress Advanced, and I'll be guiding you guys. So if you ever happens that you have any questions on anything that I've taught, everything that I've highlighted, or you have any positive feedback, just hit me up in the comment section and I'll get back to you. And thanks guys for watching this, and I hope it was helpful. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.